Word: the nature of the beast. Definitions: a phrase used to describe a fundamental characteristic or inherent quality of a situation or person, especially when that quality is undesirable or difficult to accept. Meanings: it refers to the qualities that are expected or intrinsic to a certain situation or behavior. Example 1. Dealing with bureaucratic red tape is frustrating, but that's just the nature of the beast. Example 2. He tends to be blunt, but that's the nature of the beast in this industry. Master new words daily. Subscribe now and support us with a coffee. Link below.